Yeah, you read the thumbnail correctly. Bitcoin's about to experience a 30% dump. You're not going to want to miss this short. We're going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, DXY from an Elliott Wave perspective. Guys, I'm a professional Elliott Wave trader. This is Chart Junkies. My name's Alex. This is the second time uploading this video. The first time had no audio. Whoever commented no audio on that last video, I appreciate you. I don't know what happened with my mic, but we're good now. And honestly, since I posted it, in a matter of 15 minutes, we started dumping a little bit. So I don't know, some things might have changed. But long story short, we're gonna go over the 30% dump that I'm seeing, and then some short-term analysis, small time frame trades for you guys. If you don't know what Elliott Wave Theory is, there's a video in the description below to my crash course. It's a 20-minute YouTube video. Just watch it. Also, if you are in the Discord, this is probably nothing new to you guys. Join the Discord. It's free, linked in the description below. Okay, the move that I'm talking about is that joint right there, 33%. I want to come down here, and I'm going to show you how we're going to get there, guys. Here, actually, we're going to move on over to the Coinbase chart. Okay, all right. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. What I believe is playing out here, and what looks to be my number one primary count in Elliott Wave terms, is a WXY correction to the downside. That is to correct this entire move right here. Alright. In all actuality, it's this entire move right here. Now, let me just pull a fib. Yeah. Maybe the 786, maybe the 618. Who knows? But this is the general shape of the structure. And then in this WXY correction, you know, and again, guys, this is a correction. So after this, it would imply we have more upside to go here, like that. But within this WXY, there's a correction here. There's a correction here. And there's going to be another correction. WXY is nothing but a double correction made up of ABCs, alright? I'm not going to give a full Elliott Wave tutorial. ABC, 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 WXY. But that's the kind of gist of it. Now, what, you know, if you're just a normal trader, what does this look like? Oh, look, a head and shoulders, right? So you would, for head and shoulders, take that, break the neckline, boom. I mean, the targets match up kind of nicely, kind of too nicely. I usually don't trade these structures, and a lot of times these head and shoulders are fake outs, and Elliott Wave counts would prove that they're fake outs, because it would look like a head and shoulders, but us Elliott Wave traders would know it's not, and it's going to continue higher. But in this case, the head and shoulders looks kind of nice to me. Not because it's a head and shoulders, but because it's a nice Elliott Wave structure here. What's going on in Bitcoin right now? 2230. What is even happening? Yeah, this is the general structure, guys. And then if you pull the fibs on this, you would have your corrective pocket right in here to the 1272 to the 1618 extension. If you look on the futures chart, there is a gap right here that it would fill nicely on. Futures right here, there's a nice gap, so we can come down, fill this like that, get that nice and filled, and then we can go. Let's look at Ethereum real quick, and then we're going to look at DXY and compare them, and then we're going to go small time analysis. Stick around. I mean, this just looks, honestly, Ethereum looks kind of bad. Yep. I don't know how I feel about this. Like that. Or maybe Ethereum needs a correction like that. And then that. So maybe Ethereum looks like it's coming down with Bitcoin and then corrects up. And then down. Something like that. And then we can go up. I don't know. Ethereum's tough for me, guys. Ethereum looks like almost done right now. And there's a flat in here to correct. This looks like a finished ABC right there, and then maybe coming up, and then maybe coming down. That's, if I'm looking at just Ethereum, that's what I'm looking at. You know how I do in these videos, guys. I just chart it real quick for you. When you're proficient in Elliott Wave, you can just look at these charts and it just pops out of the screen for you. DXY, I was calling this way when we got this dump right here. I was calling for this move. It's just a flat correction. A simple A, B, C. ABC. I know it's a WXY, ABC. DXY, I'm projecting it to maybe flat out, come up like this. I want to see this 1618 hit and correct up to maybe the 0.5 fib. That looks great. And then I think it's time to come down. So this move right here, these actions, that what I just drew, that's going to get us into the middle of November before DXY dumps. So that would imply middle of November before Bitcoin pumps. Right here. Something like this. So yeah, guys, I mean that's kind of what you're looking at as far as a time, and it looks good from a time perspective as well. And then when DXY dumps, Bitcoin will hit you with one of these actions. I'm going to zoom in, small time frame. Let's zoom in on Bitcoin first, and then we'll go to DXY and compare it, and I'll kind of show you what I'm looking at. Yeah, when I posted that video earlier, we were right here, and I was calling for a dump, and we actually got it, but this could be a finished 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, we could be done with an impulse, and we'd be looking for a correction to the upside like this, and then down. We could have 1, 2. Could we have 1, 2? Let's pull flips. Yeah, I don't like that. We could have correction up, down, and then up for a flat. But what scares me, guys, and why, like, the altcoins look absolutely horrible. Absolutely horrible. Like BNB, trash. XLM, trash. Where's XRP? Trash. Like, look at this. What else? Link, oh my, trash. Like this looks ready to come down like this at least, and then come down, come back up. Regular markets, SPX, trash. Dow, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, everything has kind of just like Amazon, like that's a finished flat, like that's coming down like that. I'm sorry. Google, Meta, like everything needs to dump a little bit here. Yeah, I want to see I want to see on the small time frames. I want to say this is finished, and we have this flat 3, 5. Like, I want to start seeing this just impulse. I would love for it to come to like the 26K level. Let me get rid of these. 2. Yeah, I mean, in my heart, I want to say this needs to retrace back up to like 28.6, and then we can come down, something like that. Yeah, I mean, that's all I wanted to do today, is just get my thoughts out there, guys. Long story short, I think Bitcoin's coming down. You know, this might want to correct some more in this area before we start dumping some more. Markets don't look good to me, at least. This is not financial advice, just my opinions. I'll see you in the Discord. Thanks for watching the video. I love you. Bye.